Mahigit sa 600 pickleball players mula sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Luzon ang nagtipon sa Pampanga para sa championship leg ng Power of X Pickleball Cup na hatid ng Converge Fiber X, katuwang ang Casa Media Incorporated. Isinagawa ang event itong May 24 sa Pampanga Pickleball Center sa San Fernando matapos ang matagumpay na tournament legs sa Baguio, Tarlac at Nueva Ecija.
So Converge is all about connection. So that's the word actually. The keyword is connection because we wanted to really connect with the latest fad ngayon. It's pickleball community. So looking at the pickleball community kasi ang dami nila. So we want to connect with them. Converge wants to be a part of this pickleball community kaya we conceptualize something like this, the Power of X Pickleball Cup.
Naging tampok sa buong araw na event ang elimination matches sa 8 courts, exhibition games, sponsor activities at championship finals na dinaluhan ng players, sports enthusiasts at lumalaking pickleball community.
This is the first Pickleball Cup na nagawa first time actually in the Philippines that captured different areas. We got the best out of the best. They had elimination, they have pre-elimination also.
Nakisali rin sa espesyal na bahagi ng programa ang mga celebrity guest na sina Diana Zubiri.
At ang pinaka-nagustuhan ko dito, syempre yung exercise, yung papawis. Ngayon, hindi na ako masyadong nag-workout kasi syempre ang hinahabol ko is magpapawis. Mas pinapawisin ako dito eh.
Si Eric Fructuso.
Masaya po kasi it's the only sport na barkada game na hindi mo kailangan magaling. Importante, naging happy lang lagi.
Andy Smith.
Actually, galing ako sa professional tennis dati. So, I used to play for Australia. I was playing tennis and I had a doubles world ranking before when I was in my 20s. Ngayon, this week, actually, I'm turning 41. So, I wanted to remain active and still be competitive at my age.
At ilang miyembro ng Maneuvers. Ayon sa organizers, layunin ng torneo na mas palawakin pa ang pickleball community habang isinusulong ang aktibong pamumuhay at sports engagement sa rehiyon. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.